Hello everyone. The well-known Japanese media Young Machine revealed that Yamaha is preparing a new motorbike which will use a 300cc engine. Although it has not been officially confirmed, many say this new motorbike is the Yamaha XSR300. The direction of the XSR300 is based on the MT3, and what the motorbike looks like, let's discuss it. The character is different between the new Yamaha Moto3 with a naked sports style and the new Yamaha XSR300 with a heritage sports style. The former will focus on torque and a very bold start, but with the XSR, it is expected to be. According to motorbike guidelines, the focus is on riding cool and comfortable, but in terms of power, it is definitely considered adequate because it uses the basic specifications of a 321cc engine, 2 cylinders, 4 strokes, DOHC, 4 valves. The cylinder X stroke size is 11.21, resulting in a maximum power of 42 PS at 10,750 RPM and a maximum torque of 29.6 Newton meters at engine speed on 9,000 RPM. Agree that this figure may be adjusted to suit the needs of the Yamaha XSR300. The fuel is supplied via an injection system. In terms of looks and design, the new XSR300 is expected to be similar to the XSR700 with a circular LED headlamp design and a teardrop-shaped fuel tank. The seat is single and slightly higher. However, there will also be an upside-down front suspension system measuring 37 millimeters, the same as that included on the new MT3 model. Ultimately, we will have to wait and see whether this project will become a reality or not. But I'm sure it will actually launch. This will be one of the most eye-catching motorcycles ever with unique design and enough power for actual use. Apart from that, the price is also not difficult to reach. And that's our review for today. See you in the next video.